Welcome back, guys. After a few adventures without the kids, this trip is all about them. We're headed to the Gold Coast to play tourist while we catch up with my sister and her family and check out the Village Roadshow theme parks. Whether you're a travelling family or just planning your next holiday, stick around. This one is a lot of fun.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hey, last week we left you, we were on our way home without the kids after Monday Bash.
Yes.
We were super keen to get back because we really miss travelling with them. We've done a little bit in the last couple of, month or so.
Yeah, it's not for us. Nah. We like having them with us.
So what we've done is we shot back to Brizzy, we got them, chucked them in the van, and we thought we'll have a weekend away where we really just spoil them.
Yeah, just about the kids and family.
Yeah, so we're down at Paradise Country, which is Gold Coast basically, out the back of Helensvale. And it's not a cheap place to stay.
No.
But you get unlimited access to the theme parks, all of them bar Dreamworld.
Yep, so we've booked 2 nights here. I think I did get it on special. So it's cost us maybe $400 and something for the 2 nights accommodation, but then 3 days. So today, tomorrow and Monday, unlimited access to Wet and Wild, Movie World and SeaWorld.
Paradise Country.
And Paradise Country.
Yeah. So look, that's really good value if you ask me, when you figure out what you pay just to go to a single theme park.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and it's quite a nice place here. Very small sites though, I will say that.
Yeah, so our site was quite tight to get into.
But, you know, you get that at a lot of places, and they were set up so long ago.
Yeah.
But we're here with Erin's sister and family, so it's really good. The kids have got the cousins to play with. Anyway, we're all set up, guys, so we might go check out a little theme park now.
See if we can cram in a couple of rides.
Yeah, but this one, it's all about the kids, and maybe a little bit about us. All right, Erin, come get it out.
I don't like chicken.
Go on, you got to get it out.
No, you can. Are you coming home with us?
I was just following him and having a walk around, trying to pat him.
Hi. Yeah, go away. Can you get out of my car, please? I'm scared.
All right, hold that.
It's giant.
Hold that, no, I'll try to.
Oh, that's a big chook.
Nothing worse than a cock in your canopy. Hey, mate.
Don't mess with me.
What is that? A little sword. Tell you what, all the theme parks here, and all they're worried about is playing with Lego at the moment.
That's not bad though.
Yeah.
I'm not. I want to go to the theme park.
No, you're playing with Lego. We're not going anymore.
Yeah.
Nah, let's go. Let's go check one out, eh? Quick. Alright, let's go. How's this? It's 4 o'clock, we're cruising in, and everyone's leaving. So there shouldn't be many lines.
But there is still so many people here.
Yeah. You ready? We're gonna win?
Yeah.
How'd you go? What's your points?
100,000.
100,000?
Yeah.
I got 6 million, so.
You know you're taking it too serious when your trigger finger gets sore on a ride like that. Preparing themselves for the Batman one tomorrow. Are you nervous?
Oh, that was so scary.
It's actually a little bit scarier than I thought it was going to be. Even Frank was just saying, oh, I think he did that a little bit wilder that time because he saw a couple of adults on it. That gets us ready for the Batman one tomorrow.
Yeah,
that's the proper one.
Straight away for you.
One thing I've never actually said is I'm actually really scared of big rides. I used to be good when I was younger, but getting older, I'm just a sook when it comes to the ride. So.
And same, I used to love it, but I'm like, I get really bad vertigo, so I'm worried about like doing some of them that I'm gonna like.
It's not the vertigo for me,
funny.
I'm just scared. Heights, no good with heights. So it was kind of weird last night going into Movie World for an hour.
Yeah.
That was strange, but that's the beauty of having these tickets. You can just cruise in and out. We ended up going for a buffet dinner. It was a pretty good price. It was like $30 for all you can eat. It was
Per adult.
And kids free.
Yeah.
Which was really good. It wasn't in the normal spot that they have it because they had a function on. But geez, I gorged myself. I had a lot of steaks. A lot of steaks. Mm-hmm. Frank actually had 4 steaks, so he beat me. But today we think we're going to cruise to SeaWorld. Oh, but before that, we went and did... they do an animal feeding here in the morning. So
as part of your Paradise Country tickets, you get access into Paradise Country before it actually opens to the public.
Oh, is that why it was just us cruising around?
Yeah.
Yeah. So at 8 o'clock, they take you around, they feed all the animals. So that was really cool, getting to hand feed them. So
milking cows and...
Yeah, you weren't too good at that. You're not good at...
I was great at it, actually. Just literally put my fingers on there and it squirted everywhere.
Oh, that cow was just going everywhere.
It happens all the time to things that squirt.
Okay, I don't know if that'll make it in, but anyway. I've lost track now. So we're going to hit SeaWorld, I think. It's a nice sunny day. Should be beautiful down there. So
yeah,
about half an hour from here.
Yep.
All right, have some brekkie and we'll get there.
Let's do it.
You excited?
Yeah.
What are you?
Yeah.
SeaWorld's really a unique mix of everything. Part theme park, part aquarium, part zoo, and part educational experience. The kids get the thrill of the rides, but there's also wildlife encounters and shows that actually teach them something along the way. It's one of those parks where fun and learning kind of blend together without anyone even noticing. What are you doing?
Going on that one that goes upside down.
You're all mad. Good luck.
Alright, let's go.
Oh my god, I'm just watching this. They're not on yet, but oh my god, I don't think I can even watch. How was it?
That was so much fun.
Wasn't as bad as I thought.
You're pretty pale.
Alright, I'll scan.
Next up was Leviathan.
Alright, we're all going on this one. How do you feel?
Yeah, nervous. Nervous-sided. This one looks tame-ish when you watch it. The reality is so far from that. This roller coaster stands at 32 metres tall, is made entirely of wood, and gets up to speeds of 80 kilometres per hour.
Holy dooly.
That was so much more terrifying than it looks.
Yeah, that was full on. It actually scared Toby quite a bit. He thought he was going to fall out, but
He's not
he was
feeling
good.
great now.
No.
He's going to take a moment to calm down.
Yeah.
I think.
It was awesome.
Bella loved
You loved it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun. It was fast.
So fast, so much faster than it looked too.
Look at it.
That's so good.
Fun fact, if you pack your own lunch when you come here, save yourself approximately $1,000. Close to it anyway.
After lunch, we set out to explore more of the rides designed for the younger kids, and SeaWorld really delivers here. From gentle attractions to hands-on experiences, there's something for everyone. We checked out the shark aquarium, watched the dolphin show, and let the kids burn energy in the playground and water play areas. And of course, for the thrill seekers and the family like Alex and Bella, there are still plenty of roller coasters to keep the excitement going. You did it!
was actually the scariest ride yet. Bella was calling me all kinds of names. I was white knuckling it.
Why was it just the height?
It's the height.
The height of
I hated it. Give me a roller coaster any day. All right, that's SeaWorld done. It's 5 o'clock. They're shutting.
Yeah, it's actually 10 past 5.
Yeah, so they ran that ride late. Half an hour drive back to where we're staying. So chill night, I reckon. Oh, of course. That's where they get you. The gift shop, hey? Yeah. So it's smack bang on 10 o'clock, which is checkout time today. So we've pulled the vans into this car park of Paradise Country because, believe it or not, we haven't actually been in properly while it's open. We did the pet feeding yesterday morning, but we'll go check that out. Yeah, there's still heaps in there. So we'll go look at that, and then we will drag the vans down to the Movie World car park and we'll go in there. So really easy to do. I mean, if you had more time, probably stay here another night and then you'll get heaps more time at the Outworlds.
And because you still get to go to Wet and Wild as well, but we didn't even touch on that.
But mind you, you are paying another $190 or whatever it is a night. So weigh that up yourselves, whether it's worth it. Hello, puppies. What do we got going on here?
Gold panning.
What do you got?
I got this.
Cool.
Oh, he got this.
How much was it for the bags?
$12
Each.
Take it, give it a
It's
shot.
alright.
Yeah.
Bit of fun for the kids.
Yeah, I wouldn't exactly call it gold panning, but
Now lift it up.
Heaps of parking at the backside of Movie World car park, so don't be afraid, especially on a weekday. I guess maybe on some of the busier days, school holidays, you might not get a van in here properly, but heaps of room. Anyway, let's go hit the rides and shows that we didn't see the other day at Movie World. I'm looking forward to this one. I'm going to do all the big scary ones this time. I think I got over my fear. So as you walk into Movie World, you walk past the green light and we'll just have a conversation about how people get stuck, and it's literally just stuck right now. That's crazy. They are definitely stuck.
oh wow. That is a solid no from me then. I'm not going anywhere near that today. We had to say goodbye to the family partway through the day, so they started their big drive home, but we made the most of the afternoon. We squeezed in as many rides as we could, did all the classic touristy favourites, got all the photos, caught the parade, and finally, knowing we were going to get soaked, we hit up our family favourite, the Wild West log ride.
Hey! That's the wettest I've ever gotten on that ride. You can't really see it now, but...
Despite the breakdown earlier, Alex and Bella still decided that they wanted to take on the Green Lantern, while Alex psyched himself up for the final ride of the day, the Batman ride.
Dad!
Look how nervous he is. How was it?
It was good.
By
How's
far
Dad
the
feel?
worst ride. By far. I was.
You look so nervous. I was laughing
I'm still nervous.
so
It's
hard.
done.
I didn't even scream. Dad was like the only person screaming.
All right, so that's our little Gold Coast weekend done.
Yes, it was a fun-filled but very big couple of days.
So we know that's not like our normal kind of travel, but we also know that a lot of families, when they're coming up or down the East Coast, like to stop in the Gold Coast because you got all those worlds together.
Mm-hmm.
So Paradise Country, like we did, is a good option.
Yep.
We were talking though over the last couple of days, maybe even staying at the Big Four and getting like an annual pass.
If you're semi-local or like you know you're going to come back more than once, that might be a more cost-effective kind of option.
Yeah, we didn't really research it too much because we were already going to Paradise Country.
Yeah, we're meeting up with family, and it is something that we've wanted to do for a long time, but yeah, because of cost, I know cost is a big factor for a lot of families, so
Yeah.
hopefully this kind of helps inform you a little bit more if it's something you want to do.
Yeah, so it was good fun. Glad we did it. We're all buggered now.
Yes,
And
my
now-
feet are that sore.
Oh, wear good footwear. I
Yeah.
wore Vans at SeaWorld and my feet were buggered because the Vans
Yeah.
don't have much cush in them. But I wore me Crocs today. Perfect. Guys, stay tuned next week. We are catching back up with our good mates, the Wilds.
Yay!
So we're going to take them around a few places,
Yeah.
you know, close to home. Very excited for that.
A few little paradises.
If you haven't done it, make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you next week, guys.
See you then, bye!